In this video I will be creating a sci-fi concept artwork in which we will be exploring alien planetary system and voyaging in the world of Photoshop. We will go through the step-by-step process of crafting this intergalactical illustration. I will be showing tricks and various methods along the way, experience my workflow in the form of Speedart with themed music in the back to help you sense the ambience. Let's do it! We're starting off by setting a base plate of the planets. Now I am adding textures to the planets, basic shadow, and we already have a 3D looking planet. Here you can see how I am spherizing the textures from a 2D image. I messed up the third planet's highlights, but I will fix it later, don't worry. Let's skip the lazy part of texturing every single one of the planets and add an atmosphere to the planet number 2. Now I am trying to figure out a way to add some lights to show that this planet is occupied of some being, but not the first planet, the second one. I decided to use this kind of a crosshair, which I made for a different project, and use it as a kind of massive structure on this planet, which is able to be recognized even from space. The glow is only visible from the direction which the star is shining from. Here I am trying to make a distant sort of a galaxy, which isn't that obvious. Now it's time to create a ring of planet 1. Setting the line on which I am going to put the rocks across. I wanted to make it very custom and maybe not that much realistic, as it would be possible to actually exist, but to make the rings look very cool, just for fun. how the depths of this whole scene is already showing to us, by simply making these rocks constantly smaller and smaller as the distance increases. Double ring? Why not? Matching the hue of the rocks to fit in with the scene. Now I'm painting shadows for every single visible rock. If you want to do such things, please invest in a drawing tablet. Spaceship time. This model was made by Leonard Doi on Sketchfab, links in description. Quick fixing shadows and highlights and adding proper ones to fit the scene. Making an exhaust from the engine and adding the trails behind the ship. Added lens flare overlay to achieve a jet effect. Final blending adjustments and overlays. We need to throw an additional lens flare caused by the sharp light from the ship's engine. Camera roll and we're done.